Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing. Basically, you can see it already, but it's something I actually got when I went to Sam's, and I thought this might make a good giveaway. And I wanted to check it out anyways because it looked like it was a little nicer than some of the other inexpensive Leathermans I've gotten. So let's take a look at this bolster here. All right, today I'm going to be opening up my bolster with my Leatherman ARK, which I've had forever, and I love this tool. This is such a great tool. And we're going to go ahead and use the MagnaCut blade on this one to get into it. All right, so let's get into this here. These are adult-proof packages, by the way. These are made so that adults can't actually get into their stuff. I don't know if you knew that. Leatherman's really good about making sure that we have adult-proof tools and stuff. So, trying to cut in there so I don't cut into my desk and into the box, or the material inside the box. Let's see what else is in there. So most likely I'm going to try to save some of this packaging for the person who wins it, right? I'm not gonna ship a giant box like this. So if you win it and you happen to see this review, just know that this is going to be, I don't know. All right, so today I'm opening up this this box here. I think it would be a cool little gift for someone, maybe my family. I don't know if it's gonna be a giveaway for the channel, but it might be a family member, right? So is there anything in here that I need specifically? I don't think so. So I took that off. I'm gonna save the box so we can look at it here in just a second. Of course, you get your little Leatherman attachment, which I did cut into. All right, so let's look at this. This is called the Bolster Multi-Purpose Tool. What I liked about this one, first of all, it had screws. It had some Torx, is that? Yeah, Torx. So those look like T10s or something on there, which is pretty cool. It felt pretty solid when it does. It feels really solid, actually. Oh, wait. Oh, it's got spring to it, too. That's nice. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. It's got a clip, which I dig. I absolutely dig that. Can you reverse that clip? I don't think you can. All right, so there you go. You got wire cutters. Looks like wire stripper. So the little hole is a wire stripper. There's going to be wire cutters. This would be pliers, and then this would be needle nose pliers, right? So then what else is this on here? We got a clip. All right, so the tools are on the inside here. So let's open them up. All right, so they're a little tight to get to. All right, there we go. All right, so what do we have in here? Oh, we actually have, hold on, we have a loop if you want it to carry it like a lanyard. So there's a lanyard loop right there, right? You have that. You have a bottle opener, looks like a can opener as well. There's a nail file, a ruler on this side, and then a file on this side, and then you've got a serrated edge right there. All right, so we have 3 different tools, multi-tools, right? You can multiple purposes there. And then on this side we have a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver, right? So you have a little bit of both. Not sure if this is supposed to be a little tool right here. So multiple depth on the screwdriver, I think. All right, so let's see here. Number 8. This is the screwdriver medium. There's a small screwdriver, which is going to be, okay, it's part of, okay, there's a blade on the outside, so we'll come back to that. I didn't see that, okay. On over here. All right, so number 7, this is the small screwdriver right here. And then there is a Phillips screwdriver. We already talked about that. We got the bottle opener. We got the can opener. All right, so we got that. And we got a ruler. We talked about that. We have a wire stripper. We talked about that. That's in here. Serrated edge. We talked about that. Wood metal file. We talked about that. Wire cutters. We talked about pliers, needle nose. All right, so Those are the multi-tools right there. This is the screwdriver. This is multi. You can see how it gets thinner to the tip and it gets thicker to the top. So it's kind of multiple purpose. This could also be like a plier or a pry bar in some ways. You know, people could use that as a pry bar. But here's your smaller screwdriver, right? Sorry if you hear my cats. They're fighting in the background. All right. I love the fact that this closes together. It feels really solid. That's nice. That's nice. This is nicer. Now, the only thing that's missing on this one, you don't have screwdrivers on this one, right? So, I mean, you don't have scissors. It's not a scissor. All right, so here's the blade. All right, and it does lock out, so it has like kind of like a liner lock, right? Locking mechanism. 420 blade steel, which means it's going to be nice and rust resistant, I believe. So there you go, and then it releases like that. So very cool. What is this right here? Okay, so that's how it goes flat. Okay, all right. What am I missing? No, I think we got everything. All right. Well, I will tell you right off the bat. I had another one that was kind of inexpensive, so just so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the multiple tools. So if you want to see real quick, so here you go. This was bought at Sam's, which is part of Walmart, right? It's their club membership. It was a really good price. So if you're looking for a decent multi-tool, I mean, it's actually really pretty solid. It's one of the better ones, and it's pretty small. It's got a clip on it and everything. I mean, it's not bad. I've had some of these that are pretty flimsy, and this one is not at all. And it's assembled. They do say, you know, assembled in the USA by outsourced parts. Where does it say on here? It does have the 25-year made in USA. US and global parts. So that means some things come from the USA and some things are outsourced, right? But it is USA, you know, assembly, manufacturing still, right? But they do get some of the parts outside. Now, this is all made in the USA as far as I understand, right? This is all USA made, USA parts, USA sourced. It is significantly more expensive. I mean, you would have to buy 10 of these to get one of these. That's pretty much the difference between the two. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Now, if you need a really crazy great tool, this I do recommend it. I think it's worth that price. This has a hammer. It has a whole bunch of things on here. Love the fact it has a magnet cut blade that works fantastically as well. So this one here has 420C. So I mean, you know, you get what you pay for in many ways, but it does the job. So if you're looking for something maybe to put in the car for, you know, your kids or yourself, and just in case you're stuck somewhere and you need a tool quickly, so many times just having a pair of pliers is so helpful, right? And these are pretty solid. I'm really impressed with that. Yeah, and I like the fact that they retract like that. Now this one doesn't, but it's magnetic. So when I work it, it's very easy to work. And it does hold together, you know, pretty well, right? So, and I can replace this 154 cm little steel inserts if I need to, if I break them or something. But it is magnetic, so I can do one-handed operation on this one, right? And if I want to close it, if I want to close it one-handed, I could do that as well. Sorry, I keep wanting to do my other hand. But I can always work it one-handed, which I like. Sometimes I've had to pull it out and work it. And this one's really solid as well. This has a lot of other things. It has a hammer, right? This is one of the first ones to come with a hammer. It has scissors on here as well. Where are my scissors? Yeah, right there. So my scissors are right here. I love these. So you got to open them all the way. And then, you know, the scissors work like that. So that is nice if you like stuff like that, right? But it's more expensive, right? So you got to consider what you're buying. If you're okay with that, then this is a tool. But this is a great alternative for first multi-tool. If you're on a budget, you want something that you don't have to worry about, something you can keep in the car, maybe keep in your backpack, and you're not gonna worry somebody's gonna take it. Not, you know, you just want something handy and available. This will do the job. Now, a lot of people will still use this as a hammer. It's not intended for a hammer like this is right here. This is specifically made to be a hammer this time around. You can hammer things in. Got rust on mine. I've used the heck out of this thing, right? And by the way, it doesn't come with these orange things. Now, they make some of these with different colors, different anodizations. I put these little strips on there. These came from Rip's Garage Technology. They do sell these things. These are cool. It's like it's nice to find in my office, especially when my office is messy. Like right now, Christmas, I'm wrapping presents in here. But yeah, that's really cool. That's a nice little multi-tool. I'll make a really nice gift. All right, so again, comfortable, not sharp, really rounded well. I like that. Feels solid in the hand. You can have the thick part here and pull up here, or you can have the thinner part here and pull up here. The pliers work really well. Needle nose pliers come together really well, right? So you've got that. You've got the pliers here. You've got the wire stripper, the pliers, and the stripper right there, which is really nice. I love the clip. Love that these are screws, so I can tighten, loosen, clean this, oil this. I would probably put a little oil inside of it, right? I love the fact it has all the tools that I really need. Screwdriver, Phillips flathead, can opener, a file, two scissors, a knife, sorry, and a serrated edge. That's really nice, right? Kind of a pry bar, big old flathead screwdriver if you need that. I do dig that. Yeah, and it's solid. It is really, really solid. And I can get to that blade with single-handedly. It releases well. Push that in, push down, and it closes. And so that's nice. And let's feel that. I mean, it's an edge. Does it cut? Yeah, it'll cut, but how well? You can always sharpen that up and strop it. This will sharpen really fast. It's not difficult steel to sharpen, but it won't, the chances of the edge being lost is going to be there for sure. Yeah, nice shape. And then you get this nice little pouch that comes with it, right? You can put the little pouch in here, stick it in there like that. I would typically put it in like that. Fits right in. So if you wanted to keep it in the pouch, you could. If you want to just clip it in your belt with a little clip right here, you can. That's nice. That's plenty of room to get in and out of the belt. You could actually remove that if you wanted to too, I suppose. That's up to you entirely. Now, with these screws, I'm curious if you can add extra attachments. Sometimes you can. I don't know. I don't know how that would work. You would have to have attachments on both sides. Usually, you've got to match there. So, yeah, well, I mean, I don't know if this one does that. I know this one you can swap some things out. I can take this apart and I can swap some of these parts out if I wanted to. People do that. I have yet to do something like that because I bought that tool because it had everything I wanted. All right. Very nice little one. Cool. All right. So this is going to be unboxing. I'm not going to do much of a review on this one. I just want to share this with you. I think it's a cool little tool for sure. If you guys have any questions about it, let me know. I've had several Leatherman tools on here. I do enjoy them quite a bit. They are very handy. Let me get these out here real quick. Oops. Yeah. So I'm going to pull this out real quick here so you can see everything that is available. And I'm going to get this little lanyard. It's kind of a lanyard loop. People will hook it up to a belt or something, and then you've got the serrated edge right there, right? So that's nice. What do we have over here? Over here we have the two tools right here, right? And then we're going to talk about the knife that's right there. All right, so just kind of want to give you a little picture of everything that this has. So maybe we'll do it like this. I don't know. Can we do it like that? Maybe we'll pull it up like that. How about that? We'll do something like that right there. So there you go. There you go. There you go. All right. So I don't know what y'all think about that. I think it's pretty cool. Just so we can do a quick little picture for the video, right? I usually like to have a little video image. Am I going to be able to get all that in there? I'm going to have to zoom out. Nope, wrong way. I'm going to zoom out here and get this picture right here like this. All right. Maybe we'll do this. It's always weird trying to compose a little thumbnail for the picture because people, that's like their first image to see if they really want to see the thing. So I like to make sure it's a decent picture, right? So something that you can, say, oh yeah, I want to check that out. So that was my goal. That's always my goal when I do these little thumbnails. So, at least to say, is this worth your time? Sometimes it may not be, right? Sometimes this is not what you're looking for, and I get it. I get it, and I don't want to waste your time. I don't want you to be frustrated. I want you to come to the video and get something out of it. So hopefully that's what you get. I think it's a pretty cool little toy. I will tell you right off the bat, I'm going to recommend this. My first impression, my feeling of it, everything, I've handled a lot of multi-tools. I like it. I like it. I'm not going to hard use because this is going to be a gift. Okay, it's going to be a gift, likely to someone. Sorry about that, the alarm there in the back, the motion sensor, but likely going to be a gift to somebody in my family, or maybe, you know, I don't know if I'm going to do a giveaway with this. We'll see. I'm thinking about it. It's around Christmas time. If I need a present, I bought it. I may give it as a gift. If I don't, then it'll be a giveaway, but we'll see. All right, so yeah, very, very cool. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button down below as well? Subscribing and liking the videos really helps me out. It allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, who enjoys the content, who's part of the live streams, who makes comments, who's just part of the whole community. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really do sincerely appreciate you. If you haven't already, hit that notification button down below as well so you can be notified of future content like this video and other videos. And also a big shout out to all my channel members. I just wanted to let you know I do something special for my channel members. I do 2 exclusive things because channel members have been so generous to me. I want to be generous back to them. They encourage me many times. I don't do this full-time, part-time, so they're like my workout buddies. They keep me going. So thank you. And the other thing is they also allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I'd be able to. And they help support the giveaways. Quite frankly, I would probably be doing once a month giveaways at best, right? But thank you to the channel members. So just a big shout out to them. The 2 things I do is, 1, I do a once a month members giveaway that's exclusive just for the members. It's usually a nicer knife than just a budget knife. I try to make sure it's something really cool that happens once a month. The other thing is, if you're a brand new channel member, or if you were a channel member before and you're a channel member now, or you've been a channel member all along, as long as you're a channel member right now, currently active, you've never asked for a channel sticker, you've never gotten a channel sticker, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. It's my way to say thank you and just to let you know how much I appreciate you. So yeah, that's something exclusive just for the channel members. Just want you to know that. Big shout out, big thank you to all you guys out there. I do so very much appreciate you all. You guys mean the world to me. Hey, if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.